On January 1st, 2026, San Diego County was struck by an exceptionally powerful winter storm that delivered historic rainfall amounts and triggered widespread severe flooding across urban and low-lying areas. This event marked one of the wettest New Year's days on record, with rainfall totals shattering long-standing benchmarks dating back over a century. The storm's rapid intensity transformed normally dry streets into fast-moving rivers, overwhelmed drainage infrastructure, and forced emergency services into high-stakes operations to save lives amid rising waters. The deluge was driven by a moisture-laden atmospheric system that funneled heavy Pacific precipitation directly into the region. Many locations received more than 2 inches of rain in a matter of hours, equivalent to or exceeding the typical full-month January average of around 2 inches for San Diego. At San Diego International Airport, 2.07 inches fell on a single day, surpassing the previous New Year's Day record of 1.60 inches set in 1855. Other areas reported even higher accumulations. National City tallied 2.73 inches, La Mesa 2.78 inches, El Cajon 2.52 inches, Escondido 2.3 inches, and Palomar Observatory exceeded 5 inches over the 2-day period ending January 1st.
Officers, I think, block the rocks.
These totals rank the event among the top 15 wettest days in San Diego's recorded history, highlighting the storm's extraordinary severity and its capacity to saturate soils and urban surfaces almost immediately. The San Diego River responded dramatically to the influx, surging to a peak of 12.75 feet at the Fashion Valley gauge and entering the upper end of minor flood stage. This overflow inundated surrounding lowlands, particularly in Mission Valley, where the river escaped its banks and turned roadways into hazardous waterways. Major arteries such as Fashion Valley Road, Camino de la Reina, Avenida del Rio, Qualcomm Way, Camino del Este, and Ward Road became impassable, with water depths reaching several feet in places. The Mission Trolley Station faced submersion risks, and nearby parking lots at shopping centers and businesses were completely flooded. Water rose so rapidly that parked vehicles were engulfed, some floating away or becoming fully submerged, while businesses and homes in adjacent neighborhoods experienced water intrusion and structural damage. The human impact was immediate and life-threatening. San Diego Fire Rescue, lifeguards, swiftwater teams, and other agencies conducted at least 11 to 12 confirmed swiftwater rescues throughout the day. Critical incidents included extracting an adult and child from a partially submerged Jeep on Fashion Valley Road after their vehicle was overtaken by rapidly rising waters from the overflowing river. Another dramatic rescue involved a man trapped in waist-high water beneath a bridge along State Route 163 in Mission Valley. He was extricated and treated for non-life-threatening injuries. In Escondido, near Lake Hodges, a woman was swept into a creek by floodwaters and required a helicopter-assisted rescue after her vehicle was caught in a low-water crossing. Additional rescues occurred in areas like Sorrento Valley and other flood-prone spots where drivers and pedestrians became stranded. Flooding extended beyond Mission Valley to neighborhoods including downtown San Diego, Hillcrest, Mission Hills, Southcrest, Chula Vista, El Cajon, Alpine, Poway, and Escondido. Streets in these districts turned into rivers, with reports of several feet of standing water, blocked storm drains, and water entering homes and businesses. Power outages affected scattered areas. Public transit, including MTS trolley and bus services, faced major disruptions, and San Diego International Airport experienced flight delays due to the storm's effects. Coastal zones added complications with a beach hazard statement in place, as king tides combined with runoff caused minor tidal overflow and beach flooding. The National Weather Service issued multiple flash flood warnings. A river flood warning for the San Diego River at Fashion Valley extended through January 2nd, and flood advisories urging residents to avoid travel and adhere to the critical safety message: turn around, don't drown. Emergency declarations were not formally issued, but the scale of response underscored the event's severity. No fatalities occurred, a testament to swift action by first responders. As the heaviest rain tapered off by late January 1st, cleanup began in earnest. By January 3rd, 2026, conditions had improved with drier weather prevailing, though lingering advisories remained for elevated river levels and potential light showers over the weekend.
Thanks, officers. I think block the
Businesses in Mission Valley, long familiar with periodic flooding, expressed frustration over recurring vulnerabilities and called for long-term infrastructure improvements. Residents in hard-hit areas like Rolando Park and South Crest worked to mitigate damage, highlighting ongoing challenges in urban flood management. This severe flooding event serves as a stark reminder of Southern California's vulnerability to intense atmospheric river systems, which can deliver extreme precipitation in short bursts. The combination of record rainfall, rapid river rise, and widespread urban inundation caused significant disruption, property damage, and heroic rescues. While recovery continues, authorities emphasize vigilance for future storms, improved drainage systems, and public awareness to mitigate risks in this increasingly variable climate era. Residents and visitors are urged to monitor updates from the National Weather Service, local emergency services, and official channels for any evolving hazards. Thanks for watching Severe Weather, where we break down the facts behind nature's most intense moments. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support keeps this channel going. Hit the bell so you never miss a real, calm, and clear report. Note, some footage in this video may be used for illustration and may not show the exact event described. See you in the next one. Stay informed, stay safe.